Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you, my dear students? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. In my last class, I discussed about sentence and characteristics of a sentence. Today, I am going to discuss two things. First one is kinds of sentence and second one is how to identify sentences. So dear students, I will ask you a question. What do you see? I think you are thinking you are seeing 5 fingers. Actually, you are right. I have 5 fingers in my hand. How many fingers? 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. As like we have 5 fingers in a hand, so we have 5 kinds of sentences. So, sentence can be classified into 5. These are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, objective sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So, how many kinds of sentences are there? There are 5 kinds of sentences. What are they? They are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, objective sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now let me clarify assertive sentence. An assertive sentence is a sentence where we express a simple statement, where we narrate general statement or we describe something general. This is called an assertive sentence. And then interrogative sentence. In an interrogative sentence, we ask someone to know something or we ask any questions to reply. And then imperative sentence. By an interrogative sentence or through an interrogative sentence, we express order, advice, request, command, and suggestion. That means we give order, advice, and we request someone, we command someone, and we suggest someone to do something. After that, objective sentence. Through an objective sentence, we express desire, fear, wish. We can express our desire, we can express our fear, and we can express our wish to someone through an objective sentence. And finally, exclamatory sentence. Through an exclamatory sentence, we express something strong feeling. For example, surprise, strong feeling. We express surprise, we express anger, we express delight, we express pain, we express fear through an exclamatory sentence. So dear students, if I ask you how many kinds of sentences are there, you will provide me answer that we have 5 kinds of sentences. These are assertive sentence, imperative sentence, objective sentence, assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, objective sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Sentences are of 5 kinds. Now let's see how to identify sentences. Let me clarify that each and every sentence starts with a different way. Now first, assertive sentence. An assertive sentence starts with a subject and it ends with a full stop. So my dear students, if you see a subject at the beginning of a sentence, we can see that it is a assertive sentence. An assertive sentence can be of two types, affirmative and negative. That means assertive sentence can be of two types. It can be affirmative and it can be negative. Let's see the first example. He reads a book. He is the subject. That means the sentence starts with the subject, and at the end of the sentence there is a full stop. That means an assertive sentence always starts with the subject and completes with a full stop. So if you see a subject at the very beginning of a sentence, we can see that it is an assertive sentence. And the next example, this one is negative. We are not happy. Here the negative word not says something negative. Na, we are not happy. আমরা সুখী নই. And then come to the interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence can be started in two ways. It can be started with auxiliary verb, or it can be started with a WH question. When an interrogative sentence starts with a auxiliary verb, and it is called yes/no question. And when an interrogative sentence starts with WH question, it is not called an yes/no question. That means when an interrogative sentence starts with auxiliary verb, we call it yes/no question, because we can provide the answer through yes or no. That means, do you need some money? Yes, I need some money. Or do you need some money? No, I need not some money. But we cannot give the answer of this question through yes or no. How much do you want? You can't say no, or you can't say yes. That is why this is called yes/no question, and this is called WH question. Here you have to provide a full sentence to give the answer. How much do you want? I want 300 taka, or I can reply the answer that I want 10,000 taka. But we cannot provide the answer through a single word yes or no. And then an imperative sentence always begin with an information is omitted. An interrogative sentence can be started in two ways. It can be started with auxiliary verb, or it may be started with WH question. But always remind this, an interrogative sentence ends with a interrogation sign. So we can identify an assertive sentence through at the beginning sentence. Also we can identify an interrogative sentence. It will start with auxiliary verb, or it will be started with WH question. Always it ends with a question mark. Now come to the next imperative sentence. An imperative sentence starts with the base form of verb. That means an imperative sentence always starts with a base form of verb. Here sometimes we express order, sometimes we express advice, and sometimes we express request. We also express our command too. But how can we identify an imperative sentence? If the sentence begins with a verb. If the sentence begins with a base form of verb and it includes order, advice and request, so we can say that it's an imperative sentence. Let's see the first example. Do it quickly. I order someone to do something very quickly. So it's an imperative sentence. Second one, do not make a noise. I ask someone not to make a noise. I ask him, I advise him, do not make a noise. So it is also an imperative sentence because it expresses advice to someone. Sorry. And then last one, please give me a pen. It's a polite request to someone to give me a pen. It is also an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence can be command too. We can give someone some command to do something very quickly. That is why a command also be an imperative sentence. And then optative sentence. How do you identify an optative sentence? Most of the time, an optative sentence starts with may. Most of the time, an imperative sentence starts with may. But an optative sentence can be start without may. First two example started with may. The last one omitted may. So these all are optative sentence because may I help the poor. Here the sentence begins with may and ends with full stop. So beginning may. Here I express my desire. May I help the poor. So expressing some desire is optative sentence. Second one, may you be happy. May you be happy. I pray someone, may you be happy. So it includes a prayer. It is an optative sentence. Last one. Last one is also an optative sentence, but it need not may. That means an optative sentence may start without may, but most of the time optative sentence starts with may. Live long our president. I wish our president so that he can live long. So it is also an optative sentence. Finally, come to the last one, exclamatory sentence. Here I have already told that some emotions, surprise, anger, delight, faith, fear will be expressed through an exclamatory sentence. Let's see the example. What a beautiful scene. What a beautiful scene. So if we notice the beginning of the sentence, we see what? The next one, how nice she is. And the next one, alas. So this one started with what? This one starts with how, and this one starts with a interjection. That means an exclamation word. So we can end all the three sentences. First two sentences ends with an exclamation sign, and this one also has an exclamation sign. So an in exclamatory sentence we can be started in two ways. Most of the time it can be started with what a or an. Also it can be started with how. But exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation sign. So dear students, I repeat, assertive sentence starts with subject and ends with a full stop. Now interrogative starts with auxiliary verb or WS question, ends with an interrogation sign. Imperative sentence starts with base form of verb, ends with a full stop. Optative sentence starts with may, ends with full stop. Exclamatory sentence starts with what or how and ends with an exclamation sign. That means if we notice the beginning of the sentence, we can identify 5 kinds of sentences. Dear students, that's all for today. You have a homework. You have to write 10 sentences. 10 sentences. Try to write all kinds of sentences. That means to assertive sentence, to interrogative sentence, to imperative sentence, to optative sentence, and to exclamatory sentence. Wish you all the best. Don't forget to obey the rules of hygiene and sanitation because we are passing a very crucial time. See you, bye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.